Hello everyone. I was wondering what to make a video on, and then I remembered I got this. I won this from 10Bob, CoinTuber 10Bob, and I thought I'd have a closer look at it. Now to do that I need to take it out of its little plastic prison. Alright, it's got it out the first bit. Now it's going to have to come out of here. Hang on. That's got it. Okay, let's take it out and have a closer look. If I can get it out. Come on, there we go. Right. Oh, that feels so lovely. It just feels so nice. Okay, I'll put it down here and I can zoom in and we can see what's there. Yeah, that's not too bad actually, is it? It's better than I thought. So let's see what we've got there. Anybody could help me out on some of these things. It's going to be a lot of them because I'm not very sport orientated. I like a game of darts, that's about it. Right, first thing here, I'm okay with that. Team GB, the lion facing to the left, Team GB and the Olympic rings, I'm all right there. Now, what's this? This next thing, it's above the lion. What on earth is that? Is that something to do with rock climbing? Could it be? I don't know. And this long spindly thing here, what's that, a drill bit? Right, I'm going to have to go back and number these. So we'll start with that then. We'll call that number 1. And I'll put a little number there and anybody can help me out. I know I could look these up, I could Google it, but I don't want to do that. I want to see how many I know. So I don't know what number 1 is. I'm not even sure what this is. We'll call that number 2. This big drill bit, spindly thing. I don't know. That, number 3, I think is a skateboard. Is a skateboarding in the Olympics? I don't know. Right, this up here, this little thing, the little plus sign on it. No idea. No idea. That's number 4. This one here, what's that? Item of clothing, is that? Some kind of jumpsuit, dungaree? I don't know. Now this one here, number 6, I'm assuming that is handball. That's self-explanatory. Handball, is it? This here, is there cricket in the Olympics or could it be a baseball? I think it's more likely to be a baseball. Number 8, actually there's 2 in a row here that I know. Unbelievable. There's a horse there, so that must be equestrian for number 8. And here, that is definitely a tennis ball. So number 9 is tennis. There's a 2020, and on the other side, let me turn it over. I'm going to show you, it's got 2021 on that side. 2021 on the obverse, and 2020 on the reverse there. Okay, let's carry on. Now, what's this? Some kind of belt? Is that a taekwondo belt, Dan? I don't know. Some kind of belt, is it? I'm so bad at this. I'm so bad at this. So that's number 8. That'll be number 10, won't it? Number 10. Now, some kind of running shoe. Move it up a little bit. Is that a running shoe there? I assume it must be just the underneath of a running shoe. And then 2 more I know. We have boxing. And the Dalek with no arms, which is badminton. And the DK there is the initials of the designer, David Napton, and there he is. Now then, what is this? Is that not a golf flag, is it? It's some kind of corner flag of some kind. Is it polo? Water polo? I don't know. Right, number 15, it's got to be football. Must be football, mustn't it? So I'm okay with that one. Down here we've got the Olympic rings in the gymnastics. That's nice, I know what that one is. And this in the middle is rugby goalposts. Hooray. Let's go down here to number 18. And I think even I can work that one out, cycling. Now down here, number 19, we've got ping pong, table tennis, whiff waff. So that's another easy one. Well, that, I assume, is archery. I don't understand what the gaps are in between there, but it looks like a bow and arrow, so we're going to say that's archery. Now, number 21 down here, is that some kind of helmet? I don't know. So I definitely need help with that. Now here, is that one item? Number 22? Or is this on one thing here? Is that sailing? No, that must be sailing. So we'll call that 23. And this down here, the water, is that a separate thing? We'll call it 24 just in case it's a separate thing. Okay, number 25 in the middle there. Absolutely no idea what that is. Not a clue. 26, I'm assuming, is a surfboard. Looks like it. It's not a plectrum, is it? I don't think there's guitar playing in the Olympics, so I'm assuming it's a surfboard. Now, this is some kind of suit for a combat sport, isn't it? Looks like it, but is that taekwondo? I don't know. I'm not very good at this, am I? And this, is that a diving board? Is that what that's meant to be down here in the corner? I thought I'd be pretty bad at this, but I'm even worse than I thought I'd be. Anyway, number 29, I'm pretty sure that's basketball, isn't it? It's got to be out there. Number 30 must be weightlifting. And here, number 31, it's got to be a hockey stick. So 31 is hockey. 32, that must be canoeing. That must be that. So that must be one item. That must be canoeing. And that is that rowing sticks, rowing oars. So I'm going to say that's rowing. And now it looks like we've come to the last one. This here, on the middle here, I think that's some kind of net. Is it a volleyball net? I think it probably is. Okay, I think that's everything. Let's have a quick scan in. Can't see anything that I've missed. Got all this lot, all this. Yeah. Now I think I've got everything. No fencing. I nearly missed fencing. There it is. Number 35 is fencing. So lots of help obviously is required on that. Bung your comments in there and let me know what everything is. And thanks very much for watching. Thanks again, Ten Bob, for the coin. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you very much.